how to cook sausage casserole, and this was a request from you guys, but you wanted it in different methods, so I've got not one, not two, but 3 different methods of how to cook sausage casserole. And stay tuned during the recipe, because have you got fussy eaters in your household? Have you got children who don't like veg? Well, I've got a top tip for you. So I hope that you and your family are going to enjoy this delicious sausage casserole recipe.
In a heavy bottom pan, place 1 tablespoon of oil. Add in your sausages. I like to use Lincolnshire chipolatas as they have some great seasoning. However, you could also use vegetarian or vegan sausages too. Allow them to fry for a minute or 2 before adding a sliced red onion. Cook for a further 3 minutes. Then add around 150 grams of chopped mushrooms, along with a couple of chopped garlic cloves, and continue to cook for a further 3 minutes. Don't worry if there is a glaze on the bottom of the pan. The next stage will deglaze it and get that lovely flavour into the dish. Add in a chopped and deseeded red pepper. Then add the tin of chopped tomatoes, followed by 3/4 of the can filled with water and poured over. Next to go in is 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and half a teaspoon of mixed herbs. Add a little salt. Add a good grind of black pepper. Give it a good stir to combine everything. Depending on what method of cook you are using, you follow these guidelines. Method 3 is to transfer to a slow cooker and cook on low for around 2 to 3 hours or until the sauce has thickened. Method 2 is to simply place a lid on and cook in a preheated oven at 140 degrees centigrade for around 1 hour. Method 1 is to simply place a lid on and simmer on the stove for 30 minutes, like I'm doing here in this video clip. A great method if you are short on time. Whatever method, make sure you give it a good stir every now and again. It is cooked when the sauce has thickened.
So my tip, have you got fussy eaters in your house? Are those children not liking the veg very much? Well, do you know what? You're not alone actually, because the amount of places I go to with children, the one thing parents always ask me is, how can I get my kids eating more veg and fruit? Well, in this recipe, it's quite simple. You've obviously got the sausages there and you've got this wonderful vegetable sauce. All you need to do is take out a few of the sausages, remove some of that sauce, and then you can pulp it with a hand blender. Just pulp it down so it makes it into a puree. You're still getting those nutrients into your children and they'll be none the wiser. You can then just put the sausages back in. Over time though, I would suggest that you start making it less pureed. So you start making it a bit lumpier and a bit lumpier until it is the normal consistency. But it is just one way to help get those veggies into your children.
You can then serve with pasta, mashed potato, or even with jacket potatoes. The full recipe that you can print out and get more great ideas from is on the website, and you can watch the video again. There is also the nutritional fact sheets too. All you have to do is go to my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.